Hey guys, Pat1979 here. Gonna make a quick video on my new pair of wire strippers. These are the neiko model number. I'll show you guys on the box here if you want to get the model number. Got this off Amazon for like $20. So let's see the wire size that it can crimp, strip, and cut. So I basically got these because I do a lot of electronic work and I work on drones and stuff like that. So I need to make an adapter for my tiny whoop and the battery. So these are PH1 connectors, and my F36 from Furby use a PH2 connector, so a little bit bigger diameter. So I needed to make a little adapter. So I'm gonna show you guys how it works and if you can use it for small wires. So basically the PH1 wires are really small. I mean, these are some of the smallest wire you can get. So let me show you guys real quick one of those wires. So basically you can see that this is like tiny small. I mean, let's compare it to, let's say, the antenna from the Furby here. So these things are really small. So small, ultra small wires. I don't remember the gauge on these. I'm just going to show you guys quick how it works and how good of a clean stuff this is going to make. So you just basically put it in there. You got that little dial you can adjust. Mine is not adjusted fully, so you just place it in there. Click, click, let the camera focus a little bit. And all you have to do is, once it's in there, you just press, click, and basically your wire is stripped without any issue, without any damage to the small strand on the wire in there. So I don't know if you guys can see, let it focus. So there's literally no strand in there, so everything is nice and perfect. Didn't pull any strands. Try to focus up close for this, but let me see if I spread them apart. You can see how small these wires are. So let me cut that end with the just my little pair of clippers. So let me show you guys up close so you guys can see all the micro little strand in there. Very important to keep all the strands so you make a good connection and get the maximum out of your battery. So as you guys saw, it makes a perfect cut. It just strips any wires automatically. Doesn't matter the size. Once you adjusted it for the size of wires you want, I mean, I adjusted it for my smallest wires up here, and click, that's automatic. Now I can get automatic stripping. No fuss, no muss. I'm not losing any of the small micro little strand of wire in there. So let me cut this little piece that I don't need here. Just gonna cut that real quick and show you guys again a small demonstration. So about that size that I want. So now you just put that in there, click, click, and you just pull and click. Your wire is stripped. Like I said, guys, best thing since sliced bread. Let me just spread apart those wires so you guys can see the strands. I'd focus a little bit. But yeah, basically they're all in there, no damage, no loose strand. If I'm pulling, they're not coming out, so very nice. So guys, if you want to strip some wires, if you have any job that requires stripping wires, get an automatic wire stripper like that. It's just, you know, just so easy, so convenient. You know, I can't rave enough about it. So for small electronic works, for any type of works where you need to strip some wires and you don't want to mess around, it's only 20 bucks, guys. So very good little wire stripper. There's a little adapter here, so if you want to repeat and get the exact same size every time, you just push that in there and you can get the exact same size of wire that you need for stripping. So once you put it in there, click, you just adjust it and you get automatic stripping. Same amount of wire every time. So but basically I don't need that. I just go by feel and by look. So just place it back in there, doesn't interfere. So very nice little invention, guys. Very nice little invention. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up is always appreciated, and I catch you guys on the next one.